This will probably make your crush take the next step out of the friend zone. Recoritas, welcome to my channel. I'm Callie, and because women are complicated, today I'm here to help you out. So, if you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to do it right now, and also remember to follow me on my social medias at kalibsanchez. But no further ado, let's start this wonderful video. How to make your crush like you. I know, you might be thinking, is it really possible to make someone like me? How am I gonna make my crush like me? But let me tell you something. There are some tricks and some advice I'm gonna give you today so you can make that happen. So, trick number 1. Show yourself confident and happy. Yes, when you're around him, don't show him how much you like him. No, just kind of pretend to be super confident and super happy by yourself, like if you didn't really like him at all. And yes, fake it till you make it. So, very confident and very happy. The second advice is to flirt. And yes, you might be thinking, are you crazy? But yes, you gotta flirt just a little bit, because that's gonna make him think that there's a chance to go out from the friend zone. Of course, they're guys, so they don't want to be liking someone that is gonna keep them forever in the friend zone. So if you flirt a little bit, that might send him the signals that, oh, she might be interested. She might not, but she might be. So that's gonna make his interest be super awake for you. Number 3 is to touch him. Of course, in a very natural and in a very casual way. Just don't go and grab him like that. Just very natural and very casual. Just, keep that skin touch very soft. And trust me, that works. You will have that guy thinking of you and having really nice emotions towards you. So just try. Number 4, be friendly with his friends. I know sometimes girls think that the friends of their crush is like their enemies. No, be bubbly and friendly with his friends. And you know why? Because they might be a big influence. So if you are likable to them, they're gonna be talking about how wonderful you are in front of him, and there are gonna be more chances that he realizes how wonderful you are. Number 5, don't look at him too much. If you really stare at him like crazy, he will instantly know, or at least he will think that you like him. So just don't give him too much importance. You know that when guys realize you like them, they kind of play the game of being hard to chase. So you don't want that, okay? So you want him to like you. So just show yourself very confident and don't stare at him. Like, look at him enough, but not too much, okay? Just keep the eye contact very soft and very casual. Number 6, tell him a secret. Yeah, of course, it's better if that's a real secret, like you don't have to make up stories. But when you tell someone a secret, in this case your crush, what's gonna happen is that you're gonna create some connection. He will think that there's connection between you guys because you trust each other, or at least he thinks that. But so just, it's just a normal secret, I would say, like something you will tell your best friend, but try that to be a real secret. You don't want to tell him something that everybody knows, so he will realize that you were lying, and that's not good. So remember, pick a really good secret and tell him that there's connection, there's trust. Number 7, and this is probably one of my favorite ones because I love horror movies. And yes, watch a horror movie together. This will give you the perfect environment to be by yourself. And if you haven't really touched him yet, this is the perfect moment. You can touch him, you can grab him, you can do whatever you want because you're scared because of the horror movie. So this is a perfect excuse to create some connection. Number 8, create the mystery effect. What is that? Don't let him know about your perfect schedule. Like, don't let him know every place you are gonna be at every second of your life. Stop posting everything, even when you go to the restroom, on your social media. Just keep the mystery a little bit. Be unpredictable. That way he will be thinking about you instead of saying, oh yeah, it's 3, she must be here, she must be doing that, at 6 she's doing this. No, then every day he's gonna be like, oh, it's at 4 p.m. It's 4 p.m. so what is she doing? You're gonna keep him thinking about you instead of just giving him all the information and giving him time to not think about you. So remember that, the mystery effect. Number 9, give him some subtle compliment. And yes, please, everybody likes compliments, but don't do it about his physical appearance. Just forget about the physical appearance for a little bit and go ahead and compliment him on something he does, like a passion, or maybe, I don't know, if he plays soccer or if he likes drawing. Just tell him how good he is at drawing or how much you like his drawings, or I don't know, something like that. But forget about the physical appearance for a little bit. That way he will see that you're just not seeing the surface, but you're kind of loving that special something that is creating right now in between you guys. So remember, give him a compliment, but not physical appearance related. And this is the number 10. Of course, you are gonna think I'm crazy, but trust me, number 10 really, really works. And this will probably make your crush take the next step out of the friend zone. And it is flirt with other guys. I know this sounds crazy, right? But if you flirt a little bit, just in a very casual, natural, subtle way, your crush will see like you might be interested in some other guys. So he will try to protect himself by just taking some more steps to show you that he likes you and that you don't really need to be interested in anybody else. And that way, he might take the next step to take you out of the friend zone. And everybody's happy, the happily ever after. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also leave me in the comments what of the 10 advices you like the most and why. I love you so much. Thank you for watching the video, and see you soon in another one. Mwah. Bye.